martial arts? Do you want to become powerful and confident? Do you really want to transform yourself from ordinary to extraordinary people? I'm gonna tell you how you can achieve your goals and how you can become so powerful and confident. My name is Pramod Goswami and I am an international martial arts coach and I am CEO of Live Healthy and Be Safe. My first goal is to make 1 lakh martial art expert by advanced martial arts training. First of all, you have to identify from where you got inspired for martial arts. Like I was inspired by Chinese movie and by the Jackie Chan sir. So I started Kung Fu and parkour training. Like if you are inspired by the movie of Tony Jaa, then you should start from the Muay Thai. And if you are inspired by the IP Man, then you should start from the Wing Chun. If you are inspired by the military and army training, you should start from the commando training. If you are inspired by the RAW, Mossad and the secret agency, so you should start from the Krav Maga. If you are inspired by the ninja movies, you should start from the ninjutsu. If you are inspired by the fancy moves, you should start from the capoeira. If you are inspired by the spirituality, you should start from the Tai Chi. If you are inspired by the ring fight, so you should start from the mixed martial arts. All the courses you are looking for is available on my YouTube channel. You have to just click on the subscribe button and you can start your martial arts journey from today, and click on the bell icon so that you will get the daily notification for the training purpose. All these videos are made for education purpose so that you will get the proper education of martial arts, you get the details of martial arts. Once you will understand about styles and the different disciplines of martial arts, after that you can start your professional martial arts training journey by the joining of our professional courses. Once you will learn the basic courses from our YouTube channel, you can go for the advanced training, for the advanced courses like Martial Art Expert Program 1-year course, Martial Art Master Program 18-month course and Martial Art Business Program 3-month course. So if you really want to make a big difference in martial art industry, you can come and join this course after learning the basic courses. All these programs are available on our website lhbs.in. And for the more details, you can contact us on our contact number which is given on the screen 97136000085. You also can WhatsApp us for the details. From my side, all the best for the all guys those are starting their journey from today. Mention yourself and comment in the comment box that I am starting my journey. I will like your comment to confirm that I saw your comment. I hope guys you got the right guidance from this video how to start martial arts journey, and best of luck from my side. See you in the next video. Till then, tada, bye bye, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.